Hey guys, welcome to my channel A to Z Study with Mike. This video I am making on very short notice as I have received a huge audience demand through emails, LinkedIn. So even I was working on another video regarding TCS digital coding and IBM coding, but suddenly I stopped that work and started calling my friend senior who got selected in IBM this year, last year, last year, and I extracted all the key information and success mantra for IBM technical interview just for you guys. So stay connected in this video and I'll share you each and everything, my personal experience of IBM interview I'll also share with you. So don't miss the video even for an iota of second. And if you are new, do subscribe our channel and hit the like button. So let's get started guys. So guys, before getting jumped into interview, I just want to say that just pause this video for a while and bring a pen and paper so that each and every point you will remember in the interview and while studying after this video. Because even you skip one or couple of points, so you might be in trouble in interview. So bring a pen and paper, please. Inspiron, no. Vostro, no. Latitude, no. Mac, no. ThinkPad, yes. Because the relationship between IBM and Lenovo, I'm not going in detail because time is less and we have to prepare for interview. So start. So let's begin. So there is only one interview that consists of both technical and HR, and it's a very short interview that lasts only for 20 to 25 minutes. And so you have to be good in technical skill as well as your professional skill in one interview. Like we don't have different rounds like in TCS we have technical, then MR, then HR. In Capgemini and HCL technical and MR. In IBM only one interview. Okay guys, and let's jump into technical one. Yeah, before that I would like to tell you one thing, like if you are not a star coder or with a person with very extraordinary skills in programming, then you don't have to worry much, because in IBM interviews we won't have very high level programming question or data structures question. They just check our basic problem solving ability, how we react in a given situation, and your professional skills, business skills, and communication skills, and with very few micro level technical skills. Okay, so don't worry, keep calm. So let's jump into technical interview. So I have divided for your ease into two chunks. First from computer science background and second for non-computer science background. So if you are from computer science background, they will ask very basic question like why you have opted computer science, why coding, what is the programming language, difference between assembly language and programming language, and you should be like decent in any one language at least, like C, C++, Java, Python, Perl, etc. Basics of OOPS, basics of data structure and algos like time complexity, space complexity, and your database obviously are DBMS skills. And if time allows, only if time allows, then have an eye on OS, Linux and networking. So that's it for technical guys. Now let's move to the non-computer science students. So just do the basics of OOPS and very basic programs like Fibonacci sequence, conditional statement, data types, keywords, etc. Very basic with some core knowledge, like at least two subjects in your core. For example, if you are from electronic background, then difference between IPv4 and IPv6, DNS, TCP/IP, OSI layer, URL, SMTP, HTTPS, etc. If you are from mechanical, then do basics of thermodynamics. I'm sorry, I don't know much about mechanical, but thermodynamic system and zeroth law of thermodynamics, etc., etc. And the most important thing guys, very important, just note it down, your resume and your project. They won't ask a single question outside your resume. They won't ask a single skill based question outside the skill you mentioned in your resume. Okay, so do it very properly, deeply. your resume and your project, whatever you have done in your third year, fourth year, minor one, minor two, major one, major two, do it very properly. Seriously, I am telling you. So guys, the insights of technical interview is mostly questions. 90% are from your resume, project, and skill sets you mentioned. Okay, that's all from technical round. Then slowly they shift the momentum toward the HR interview, and they will start asking you questions like why IBM, why you for this job, what makes you distinct from other interviewees, where do you see yourself after 5 years, if you get a better salary in that scenario, will you reject IBM's offer, and your strengths and weakness, can you overcome those, rate yourself in technical, professional and learning skill out of 10. Did you like this interview? Are you happy? Any suggestion or questions for us? These basic questions, so you have to answer all of them very smartly. Like for example, why IBM? So sir, IBM is one of the largest IT firm in the world. So it's my dream to be an integral part of IBM. So, and your profile matches with my skill set. So I am a quick learner, so I think I will perform better if given a chance, somewhat like that, and you can change the answer accordingly. And what makes you distinct from other interviewees, this you can give like, sir, I am not very special, I am also like other candidate, but I have a huge urge of learning and I am a quick learner, and I don't have any ego issue like I want to work in support project, I want to do this. I can do anything right from zero level to top level management. So I am very agile in nature, and 90%, more than 90% of projects in big IT firms like TCS, IBM, Infosys, Accenture, Capgemini, etc. are running under agile model. So agile model is one of the best model in contemporary world, especially in IT world. So just like that, I am also agile, flexible in nature, not rigid. Hey guys, that's all from my side in today's video. If you really enjoyed this video, then do hit the like button, do subscribe my channel and share among potential candidates. And I don't know anything, I just want your offer letter. So please give your 100% in IBM's interview. If you still have any doubt, then do let me know in the comment section. I'll read and reply each and every comment. Still, if you have any doubt, then connect with me personally on LinkedIn or Telegram, link in the description. I'll guide you, I'll assist you personally, absolutely free. I will not cost a single penny from you. So all the very best guys for your IBM interview. See you next time. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Hey Google, bye bye.
They'll say goodbye in French. Au revoir.